Yep. I got a fish.
Nice.
Hey everyone, Tucker from Utah Mountains Fishing here with another fishing video for you. Today I'm up here at Jordanelle with Jordan. So we're gonna see if we can't catch a million rainbows today. We're at the same spot that my daughter and I were at last time, where we caught a ton of fish. So we're gonna see if we can't replicate that. Maybe catch a few really nice sized fish today. Let's get out there. Let's get fishing. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got a fish. I got a fish on.
Man, the sun went behind the clouds. It got cold.
Oh, there it is. Oh no!
Oh,
it just broke my line. It just snapped my line right off.
Dang, he snapped your line.
Yeah, he did. Just got a nibble. Yep. There we go. Fish on.
Nice.
Finally got something. Come on. Come towards me.
Quack, 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 quack.
What the heck? Oh, there. It's a tiny little rainbow. But hey, a fish is a fish is a fish. Ugh. There we go.
Oh, give the camera a good old show.
All right, there we go. First fish of the day. Took a little bit to get him, but we finally got a fish. Let's go catch some more. Come on. Yep. There we go, fish on.
I think with the general character, they're going to turn him good at some point.
I think so too.
I think he's going to finally connect to one of the trees, and at that point he's going to be like, oh my gosh, I was wrong. Some hippie beat bullcrap like that. But they changed the way the trees work.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because in like the first movie,
oh gosh,
when Jake connects to the tree, it's like he hears voices and stuff, like memories of other people that have connected to the tree.
And there we go, in the net.
But in this one, it's like the Matrix. Like you are in the tree, and it's like real life.
Okay, there's another fish.
He's bigger.
A little bigger. Moving in the right direction. Let's go catch a few more.
Give him a kiss. Oh, he gave him a kiss.
So sweet. Oh, yep. I got a fish.
Nice.
That hit real hard. I just grabbed it and went. Oh no, did I lose it? I think I just lost it. Yep, I did. Dang it. That felt like a good fish too.
Bummer, man.
Yep. There we go, fish on. Oh, don't run into Jordan's line. Don't run into Jordan's line. Under. This one's on orange. Another guy, come on. Right there. Fish number 3. Hey, really? Man, all these fish are just getting it super, super deep. This one's bleeding worse than the other 2 combined.
Tucker, quit. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's about to start. Oh, he's dripping blood now.
Yeah, he's dripping real bad.
Wow.
He's bleeding way worse than the others.
You're just losing hooks on these fish, man.
It's not uncommon for me to lose hooks on. Oh, shoot. I got another fish, dude. You got to get this one.
All right. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, my line's doing nothing anyways. All right. Oh,
there we go. There's another fish. It's going to go on the stringer. It's bleeding like crazy. All right, just hold on to it. Should be. That was just pounding it.
Oh! Do I got it? I think I don't know if I got it.
You don't.
Oh!
Dude, seriously.
I should have put it on the stringer. Oh my gosh, dude. Am I not setting it hard enough? I don't know if I'm setting it hard enough.
I don't know how you're not. It seem like you are. I'd just say you're probably not setting it at the right time. Oh, yep, that's a bite. Come on. Come on. Take it. There you go. Oh, shoot. I missed it. I don't know what the deal is with me hooking fish in the worst possible ways, and I don't know what the deal is with you not being able to hook anything in any way.
Yeah, dude, I just can't get them.
Oh, you got a bite, you got a bite. Dude, you got a fish on. You got a fish on. Come on, hurry, it's on. It's there.
Do it, reel it in.
It's good size too.
I'm filling up the reservoir over here.
Oh man, this is a good fish. Now, this is the biggest fish of the day, I think.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. There we go.
Maybe I should piss more often.
There we go.
I know.
All right, there we go. Biggest rainbow of the day right there. Caught on Jordan's pole, but another one for me. I'm catching whatever you've got, Jordan. Missing the fish.
It's contagious, not being able to catch a fish.
Not being able to set the hook on a fish.
You touched my line, Tucker. That's what you get.
I touched your line, and then you caught a fish after I touched your line, so I thought maybe I imparted some of my abilities to you.
Nope, you just contracted not being able to hook a fish.
I just contracted a fishing STD.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, yep, that's a bite. There we go. Oh, come on, stay on sand. Oh, there it is. It's jumping. It's a Yemeni yumper. This might be the biggest fish of the day. Oh, look at that. Did you see it, Jordan? Are you even watching or paying attention?
How was happening? You catching a fish?
Yes. Oh, man, look at that fish. Look at that guy.
Oh, boy.
That's a big one right there.
Tucker caught fish. Is this one trying to kill itself, too?
I have no idea. We'll find out. Look at that fish, though. It's gorgeous. Oh, my God.
Fish suicide.
Tangled up. Well, it did swallow the hook. Did it? Not bad, actually. I might even be able to get this fish unhooked. All right, there we go. Biggest rainbow of the day. Real pretty colors on that guy. Hope the camera really does it justice there. Beautiful rainbow. No. Grab a... Oh, dude, go get that. Go get that.
I'm getting it. I'm going to get it.
Set the hook. Nice reel, reel.
Oh.
Nice and easy, though. Nice and easy.
I'm doing it, Tucker.
You got a fish on.
I'm catching
You're
the
catching
fish.
Yay. Jordan,
The curse has been lifted.
What, well, you know what? I'll let you bait your line up. I'll come down here and net your fish. Oh my goodness, Jordan. There you go.
Oh, look. Fish.
Fish.
Fish. Oh, he be thrashing.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay.
Sorry, I'm not trying to get you with that other one.
There we go.
Woo!
Yeah, Jordan got a fish. Oh yeah, I forgot we changed the. Oh, dude!
I dropped him.
Hey, get in front of the camera. Just get in front of the camera.
Hey man, he be slippery. All right. Oh my gosh. Hold on. All right. Oh my gosh, I can't. He's all right. I don't know why I can't hold on to him.
There you go. Jordan's got a fish.
I caught the fish.
He got that fish.
Fish. I got a fish. Oh, oh.
Oh, Jordan, you got a fish. Reel, reel, reel.
Oh my gosh.
Nice and easy.
Tucker, I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
I did it. It's my rod. I'm setting the hook. I'm reeling it in. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it either. This is crazy.
Oh, look, there he is.
There he is.
Yeah, he is. Oh boy. Oh boy. He don't want to. He's putting up a good fight.
Not very big, but all right, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you show the camera.
Show the camera. I'm gonna keep him in the net this time because you know my track record. Look at the fish. Look at you guys. Nice good close up. Look at that fish. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.
All right. All right. Well, we're calling it a day today. Fishing slowed down from what it was earlier, and the winds obviously picked up quite a bit. So we're gonna head home before we get rained on. Hopefully go and enjoy being inside and not in the freezing cold wind and rain. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tight lines. Good luck, everyone.